This is sick! Yeah, this is sick! I've been telling Mum for ages just to like let me modify the Brina, but she just doesn't get it. She's like all about resale value and stuff like that. I like, just let me modify it, it'll be worth heaps more. So I just went down to Bunnings and bought like a ton of PVC pipe for a cheap, easy exhaust. Look at that. Oh, that's so good. Mum's always telling me not to do anything to the car, but Dad doesn't listen to us, so why should I? Because all the best like Japanese drift cars always have like the real big exhaust systems on them. Well, it doesn't come with cup holders, so what am I supposed to do? You know, every other invention's like spot on, but put some bloody cup holders in a Marina. It's not that hard. Actually, that's what we'll do that tomorrow. Like, you wait, like I'll put it in there and I'll just get on it and be like, normal, drift. Normal, drift. But then like, because of the hissy valve, then it'll be like, that's awesome. People don't realise it, but street racing's all about appearances. I'd like probably just describe my fashion sense as maybe like, you know, John Cena meets the Madden Brothers, which is perfect because Mum gets all my gear from JJ's. Oh man, this is looking so good. HCV boys are going to love it. Oh, I really hope so. What do you think? Oh, here we go. Time to test out the modifications. Street racing's just in my blood. Like the way I see it, you either got it or you don't. Oh shit. Oh.
You idiot!
Yeah, so the modifications are looking sick. They worked even better than I expected.
Look what you've done!
Yeah, look, I'm really, it was my fault. Yeah, no, obviously it'll take a couple of months to pay off that windscreen, but yeah, Mum's gonna be pissed.
I like the beat when it goes off.
So I didn't modify the car. Yeah, I know you told me not to, but you don't understand. It's really scary.